Today, our video doorbell battle continues with the SimpliSafe Video Doorbell Pro. You can use this doorbell as a standalone doorbell, or you can attach it to a SimpliSafe security system. We are going to explore both options. I purchased SimpliSafe Video Doorbell Pro from Best Buy for $169. If you buy from Best Buy, it ships with 3 interchangeable faceplates, and rumor has it that if you buy directly from SimpliSafe, you'll only get the white faceplate. The doorbell also ships with a wedge, which you can use to install in a corner or on an angled base like shingles, but it won't angle the doorbell left or right. Let's talk requirements. First, this is a wired doorbell that will replace your existing doorbell. Second, it requires an analog door chime. Third, it requires a 2.4 gigahertz network connection. Installing it should take about 15 to 30 minutes, and as far as installation complaints, I don't have any, but other users have 3. First is something I've already mentioned, and that's just that the wedge doesn't go left and right. Second, it doesn't work with digital doorbells. Third, some users have reported that once installed, their chime sounds continuously. This can reportedly be solved by using a doorbell chime connector. I already had one in place for Nest Hello, so for better or worse, I left it there and things seem to be working fine. Video Doorbell Pro has a Full HD 1080p resolution, which is great, but it's not adjustable. It also offers HDR, which helps balance light and dark. And as you can see in this video, the homes across the street are visible, which is thanks to HDR. The camera also has a 160-degree field of view, and the overall effect is similar to Nest Hello, but yet different, as Nest Hello has a different aspect ratio and coloration. While the 2 cameras are fairly similar during the day, SimpliSafe falls behind at night. This video was created using Nest Hello, and this is what SimpliSafe looks like at night. The doorbell captures both video and audio, and it also offers 2-way audio.
Skybell.
Yeah, you like it?
It's okay. It's not working. After I don't know if it was a year or so, the connection was poor.
There is about a 2-second delay between what's happening in real life and what you see on the app, which affects 2-way audio as it's executed walkie-talkie style, which means that you press to talk, release to listen. So you have to be a little patient for that 2-second lag. SimpliSafe has both a web app and a mobile app, but the mobile app has more features. For example, you can't use 2-way audio via the web app. As far as other security features, the doorbell has motion detection. It actually uses PIR motion detection and will soon offer human form detection. In testing, I found that notifications appeared about 2 to 3 seconds after I triggered an event. However, the doorbell has a built-in re-trigger time of 5 minutes. It will continue to record motion events, it's just that you won't get a notification until that clock resets. From the app, you can adjust motion sensitivity from low to medium to high, but what you won't find here is the ability to create zones or other intelligent features aimed at improving notifications. Fortunately, false alarms were rare during testing, but they did occur. Mostly they were caused by cars driving by. If you want, you can turn motion detection off, motion alerts off, or you can turn ring notifications off. My suggestion is that you leave ring notifications on. Ring alerts are quick, and unlike motion alerts, there appears to be no re-trigger time. Alerts are free and live streaming is free, but if you want to access your recorded videos, you'll need to pay. Cloud storage starts at $4.99 per month per camera or $9.99 per month for unlimited cameras, which adds 30 days of cloud storage for on-demand recordings as well as motion and ring events. From the timeline, you can download recorded clips and play them back. All of my clips recorded at 1 minute in length plus 3 to 4 seconds of pre-roll footage. Scrubbing the timeline for events isn't easy as you can only see times and event types. You have to click in to see a snapshot of the event and click again to view the video. When viewing, you can skip forward or backward 10 seconds but can't digitally pan and zoom here or on the live view screen. You also can't delete clips. After testing it as a standalone camera, I attached it to my SimpliSafe Security System. I'm using the newest hardware, but the doorbell does work with both new and old hardware. When you have the hardware in place, you'll add a monitoring plan. The first plan is standard, and if you have that plan, you'll still need to pay for cloud storage. The second plan is interactive, which is $24.99 per month, and that includes cloud storage for all of your cameras as well as optional video verification, so I decided to go with that option. For the most part, the experience is the same as using the camera for free. So we're going to quickly focus on the major difference, which is sensor triggers. When attached to a security system, your sensors can trigger a recording. They will record when you swap modes, during entry and exit delays, and also during alarm events. The clips are different lengths than motion-triggered clips. My alarm-triggered clip was just over 5 minutes. Beyond that, I was a little disappointed by what I gained by paying for interactive. While my security system can send SMS and email alerts, my doorbell can only send push notifications. And though my security system works with different voice assistants, there are no voice commands that work with the doorbell. And finally, I had a little bit of trouble attaching my doorbell, my indoor SimpliCam, and my security system to one location. SimpliCam has a privacy shutter feature. The problem is that turning the camera's privacy feature on also affects your video doorbell. If privacy is on, your doorbell won't record. Right now, the only solution is to attach your indoor camera to a different location than your video doorbell, but then only one of them will work with your security system. My experience with Video Doorbell Pro wasn't perfect. I had to delete and re-download the app twice, and even remove the doorbell from my account and re-add it to resolve various issues, mostly related to push notifications. Overall, I am giving the SimpliSafe Video Doorbell Pro a thumbs up. I think it's a nice device, but my opinion is that unless you see a lot of value in those sensor-triggered events, you're better off going with Nest Hello or Ring. Next up, I will see you sooner rather than later. I've partnered with a couple of my favorite female tech YouTubers to put together a holiday shopping guide prior to Black Friday, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it, and I will see y'all then.